Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how you can easily change a color on Windows 11. If this video will be helpful guys, what you can do is to write down below in comments that it was helpful, so when other people will come here, they will know that it's like worth it to watch this video. So what you can do is pretty straightforward and pretty easy. You want to go on the bottom, right click on the Start Windows, and then simply right click on Personalization, click Settings first. Then you want to click on Personalization under Network and Internet. Right here, you're gonna have the colors. And then you're gonna have to choose your mode, and you would click on a dark mode, let's say. It's going to take a while to load, but as you can see, everything is changing to dark. And it will become dark. So this is how we can do it. And you just have to while for a while. Sometimes the Windows 11 is bugging out for me because it's a beta version. But yeah, this is pretty much how we do it. When I go right click, settings. Yep, here you go. So this is how we do it. And this is how you can switch. What you can also do, let me show you guys, is that you can like have the engine color. You can also switch that, and yeah. Thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.